I'm Ava Smith, and this is Zach Smith. Zach, show yourself. Show yourself. Show yourself, boy.
Hello.
My brother.
Sorry, move.
Yesterday he got what do you call that thing? An airsoft pistol? Airsoft gun.
What the?
I don't know too much about guns.
I think it's jammed, Dad.
Yeah, if this doesn't work, he's gonna go on his skateboard for us.
No, I'm not.
Okay, he's not gonna go on a skateboard for us. Well, in the meantime, I got some feather extensions. No. Okay. Where's that?
That is jammed. Yeah, there's too many. There's like a bullet on the spring.
Dada! I'm not really enjoying this. I bet you aren't either.
Anyone watches it?
Oh yeah, I'll watch it alright. I'll put it under airsoft gun and yeah, I'll watch it.
Try to get this on safe.
Let's look at the holes that Zach made and the box. Okay, any holes? Any holes at all? I don't see any holes. Wow, that's a big fail. Seriously, no holes at all. Tell me if you see some holes, because I do not see them. That failure. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. Probably haven't, but I hope you did. And thank you for watching.